Reef Finance holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. Once again, I'm talking about Reef Finance price update. What's the price of Reef? What's the price changes over of Reef Finance? Let me show you guys. But before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe our channel for more news and update videos, guys. Now, guys, here the right now price of Reef Finance in the market is about 0.020167 USD dollar. That is the right now price of Reef Finance. Now the good news for all of you is that, guys, that from yesterday Reef start pumping, guys. Congratulations. Wow, it's time to celebrate, guys. Reef Finance yesterday positive 12.74%. Positive 12.74% positive changes occur in a Reef Finance, guys. It is just a beginning, guys. It is just a beginning, guys. Just hold and just look the surprise of Reef Finance, guys. You can see, guys, going straight to the moon. Reef Finance going straight to the moon, guys. Higher possibilities that Reef Finance will continue this pump for a long time, guys. For a long time, Reef will continue this pump. And my prediction also like that it is a last of month pump. I mean, every coin pump at the last of month, guys. Same like that. Now it is the last of September, so Reef Finance start pumping, guys. So please hold, never decide to sell, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you enjoy this video. Thanks for watching.